and welcome to another sensory recipe video. Each week I take a different recipe from my Sensory Recipes ebook to test out. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make rainbow rice. Perfect for a very inviting sensory tray. For this recipe, you will need hand sanitizer gel, some Ziploc sandwich bags, water-based food colouring, and some rice. First of all, think about how many colours you need and separate the rice accordingly into that amount of bags. I'm going to make rainbow rice, so I need 7 bags. Next, squirt a big squirt of hand sanitizer into each bag. Next, add a few drops of water-based food colouring into your bags. Got red, orange, green, blue, purple, and pink. Seal up your bags and give them a good mix. Keep mixing until all of the white rice is coloured. Lay out your rice on a flat tray. It's somewhere warm and dry. If you want to keep your colours separately, you can use separate trays. I'm mixing my rice, so I don't mind if it touches. If you would like to download or print this recipe, as well as loads others like it, then you can download my sensory recipe book from my website. The link's in the description. See you next time.